What is that? I am flashing my bike with a handheld gaming system. You're gonna see this. Boom. Lights come on. I'm trying to get my bike tuned with a nice flame tune and a good street track tune. So my rider control rain mode will be my obnoxious pops and bangs and raining fire, should I say. And then my sport mode will be my optimized, tuned street race. But we shall see how this works, because I'm still learning. Just basic competence on being able to do this. But I'm just saying, who do you know? Tell me, who do you know that's using a game handheld to flash their bike? I'm just saying, let me know. Let me know if you know anyone else, because I'm pretty sure I'm number one. Flashing.